இது நம்ம ஐயா கோச்சிங் சென்டர். வாங்க படிக்கலாம்.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.
Today let us see chromosomal theory of inheritance. This theory was proposed by Walter Sutton and Theodore Boveri in the year 1902. And 1900, previously I have explained in Mendel's experiments, the three scientists who rediscovered independently about Mendelian results. Rediscovered independently about Mendelian results. Those three scientists are De Vries, Carl Correns and von Schermark. By this time, there is advancement in microscopy. During their discoveries, there is advancement in microscopy. So due to the advancement in microscopy, the scientists, they were able to carefully observe cell division. So this leads to the discovery of, that is, the structure in nucleus. And also when they observed the structure in nucleus, they have seen that is the colored bodies. But this colored bodies is due to what? Staining. And those were called as chromosomes. And those colored bodies are called as what? Chromosomes. Then in 1902, the chromosome movement during meiosis, chromosome movement during meiosis has been worked out by same Walter Sutton and same Theodore Boveri. And these two persons, they noted that the behavior of chromosomes was parallel to the behavior of genes. They noted that behavior of chromosomes is parallel to the behavior of genes. Behavior of genes. And also remember that chromosomes as well as genes, both this chromosome as well as genes occurs in pairs. And also, see, if we take genes, the two alleles, see, these are the two alleles. The two alleles of a gene pair are located on homologous sites on which chromosome? Homologous sites on homologous chromosomes. Sutton and Boveri argued that pairing and separation of a pair of chromosomes, that is pairing and separation of a pair of chromosomes, that would lead to what? Segregation of pair of factors which they carried. And also Sutton united the knowledge of chromosomal segregation with what principle? Mendelian principle, and called this as chromosomal theory of inheritance. And then followed this idea, experimental verification of this chromosomal theory of inheritance by Thomas Hunt Morgan. Morgan and his colleagues, they led to the discovery of basis for variation. Basis of variation. Variation occurs in which one? Especially in sexual reproduction. And also Morgan worked with the tiny fly, that is Drosophila melanogaster. Drosophila melanogaster. This Drosophila melanogaster is very suitable for such studies because they could grow in simple synthetic medium in laboratory, and also they complete their life cycle in about how many weeks? 2 weeks, and even a single mating could produce large number of progeny flies, and also there was a clear difference between the sexes. The male and the female flies are easily distinguishable.